Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing. Will Apple ever launch an iPhone SE2 and do you need it at all? Which year we are waiting for the next generation of the smallest iPhone? It seems that rumors about the new iPhone SE will become an annual tradition. But many lovers of the first generation are stubbornly waiting for the second. It is understandable, a small and cheap smartphone. It is great for small pants and tight jeans. At the same time it is a powerful device. But then the price drop happened, and the iPhone SE began to fly like hotcakes. Of course, to many owners of Android smartphones such pricing seems too strange, but there is one argument: this is Apple. This is neither bad nor good. If you do not have money for these smartphones or you are not ready to give them away, you are not buying iPhones. If you are ready to spend money, then you buy them. It's simple. No operating system wars, overplays, and so on. Thus, the iPhone SE has become a legend. Yes, this is not the most popular smartphone of the company, because it is overtaking the iPhone 7, which, by the way, has become the most popular smartphone model in the world. But who would wait for the continuation of the 7? But the continuation of the SE waiting for the second year in a row. And now the next renderings, specifications, and prices for iPhone SE2 have appeared on the internet. Or, as they now call it, iPhone mini. According to the designer, Apple will install a 5-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2080 x 960 pixels in the iPhone mini. True Tone, DCI-P3 color space support, identical iPhone SE sizes, and 7000 aluminum. As you can see, for such a smartphone, according to the designer, Apple would have requested $100 more than for the iPhone XR. And in this case, the question arises, why is he even needed this? iPhone mini eyes of Apple. Will Apple ever release iPhone SE2 or iPhone mini? Honestly, who knows this Apple? The company has been releasing iPhones for several months with the mention of air power. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.